Hi everybody, Cathy Shea again. So we talked about self-reflection and what we value and how we can cultivate self-care. So this requires staying in touch with my body sensations. Remember, this is the holy temple. You know, we're not a lizard, we're not a fly on the wall. We were divinely ordained to be human beings. So how do I honor this gift of my body and what it's requesting of me moment by moment? Remember, the body never lies, but the media does. Anyway, that aside, let me give you some little tips that help me. If I go to bed at the same time and wake up at the same time, it's extremely helpful. If I eat my meals throughout the day at the same time. If I spend time in nature on a regular basis at the same time every day, and getting my sun, my vitamin D, which boosts my immune system, crucial. Every day of your life, not just now. These establish rhythms and routines that support my life. So I have to keep asking, what does my body want? What does it need right now? Remember, divine order means there's a holy perfection in the chaos that's going on around us right now. I cannot know what's true or what's going to happen. Therefore, I cultivate and have faith and rest in this not knowing, giving thanks for what I do have. So this attitude of gratitude is a key component. I learned this in a 12-step program that helped me so much. Remember, it's okay to have the occasional treat. The guilt will kill you long before the goodies. So watch out for saying things like, I cheated and I had chocolate cake. Did you eat the whole cake? One piece isn't going to kill anybody. So self-care is really also about being gentle with yourself mentally and emotionally. This will lead to self-love. So what does that look like to me? Many of you know I have been quite helpless, unable to walk with an injured leg for the last 2 months. It looks like I have at least another month off my feet to let it heal. Talk about cultivating patience. This has required a huge level of surrender to my limitations. Also, this ability that I need to cultivate for acceptance. It's been phenomenal. It's also opened up this place for me to receive. I've been a big giver most of my life. Many of us have, men and women. We've always been taught to be unselfish. Well, self-care and self-love are not selfish. We become models for this for other people, giving them permission to take care of themselves. So my helplessness has turned into humility. And then I get to transform that into helpfulness. So the questions I'm holding right now, in spite of my injured leg, what can I do right now to take exquisite care of myself first? Because then I come from fullness. How can I offer those resources to my family or my community? When can I take positive actions? This is an expression of self-love. Remember, our thoughts translate into words, and then new beliefs come into action. So when I discover new ways to be kind and compassionate, I'm modeling self-love. When I stop this inner critic from taking over my thoughts, I'm practicing self-love. When I know that my sense of safety comes from my thinking, I can change my thoughts and call up self-love. These are some of the simple things that I do for practices every single day. So, I'm going to end with a call to action. I'm willing to be the light in the world, and I'm asking you to do the same. Be the lighthouse. Honor every breath. Share your inner resources and kindness with others. Because what the world needs now is love, sweet love.